Have you heard of the Great Blizzard of the 1890s? It struck between March 11 and 14, 1888, impacting the northeastern United States. This catastrophic storm dumped up to 55 inches of snow in some areas and brought winds reaching 80 miles per hour. In just a matter of hours, cities like New York and Boston were paralyzed, with transportation systems shut down completely. The blizzard claimed approximately 400 lives, as many were trapped in their homes or caught outside. Schools and businesses closed for days, and emergency teams worked tirelessly to rescue those stranded. This devastating event reshaped infrastructure, leading to improved weather forecasting and emergency preparedness measures, showcasing human resilience in the face of nature's fury.